Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can use the Binance Launchpool and how you can earn free crypto daily with it. Now if you've been using the Binance app, you know that we have Launchpad and Launchpool. Now they are both different. So I'll still be making a video on how to use the Launchpad, and once the video is out, make sure you check the link in the description of this video. You check my YouTube channel for the video. Now also at the end of this video, I'll be answering some frequently asked questions that I always get about Launchpool. So make sure that you stick around to the end of this video so you can know everything you need to know about the Launchpool. Now before I continue, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies and the stock market. So if you love content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and everyone like this video. Thank you. Now, the first thing you need to do is to tap on Binance, and as you can see on the home screen of the video. So once you tap the Binance N, then you scroll down and then you scroll to the left and then you see launch pool. Stake your crypto and earn attractive returns in the form of new tokens. So you tap on go to launch pool. And once you tap on go to launch pool, you see that there are different coins or crypto that you can farm on the launch pool. You can see the first one is HIGH. That's the first one we can farm. And then the next one that is available is also MC. You see that we can farm MC. If you scroll down, the next one is Santos, but that one is completed. As you can see this completed icon at the top. Completed, so that means you can farm that one again. So if you scroll down again, other ones that you'll be seeing are already completed. So you see the ones that you can farm are the ones you can see at the top, and the ones we can see are HIGHI and MC. So let's start with HIGH. So let's say we want to stake our crypto here and want to earn free crypto from here. Now the first thing you need to check is the time until the farming ends. And as you can see for I, the time until the farming ends, it remains 8 days, 11 hours and 57 minutes. That means you still have 8 days to earn free crypto from this. And the coins that you can stake, if you scroll down, you see that these are the coins you can stake. You can stake BUSD and earn HIGH, or you can stake BNB and earn HIGH. Now I want you to notice something. These coins that you want to stake, you must have them already in your spot wallet. That means if it's that you want to stake BUSD, you must have BUSD in your spot wallet already. Or if it's that you want to stake BNB, you must have BNB already in your spot wallet. Now, after you see the coins that you can stake, you see the APY. APY means annual percentage yield, just like how much you can earn per year. So if you stake BUSD, you're going to be earning 3.9%. While if you stake BNB, you will earn 5.34%. And now you can see this total stake under BUSD. The total stake is 563,873,933 BUSD. And for BNB, the total amount of BNB that has been staked is 3,625,460 BNB. You have nothing to do with that. What you have to know is just the percentage you are going to be getting. So let's say, for example, I want to stake my BNB to get free I from this launch pool. I'll just tap on stake now. So once you tap on stake now, it's going to show you information that you need to know about the coin. And then once you scroll down here to where you have my funds, that is where you can stake your crypto. So you tap on stake, you want to stake your BNB, and then you enter the amount of BNB you want to stake. So let's say I want to stake everything, all the BNB I have in my spot wallet, I'll just tap on max. Once I tap on max, I'll just tap on stake. And you can see successfully staked BNB. So that means I've already staked 1.0975 BNB. And now, how can you claim your rewards? Now, your reward will be calculated every 1 hour. So every 1 hour, you're going to be seeing your rewards. And under here, where you have my rewards, you will see your unclaimed rewards. That is the rewards you've not claimed. And then under total rewards received, you see the rewards that you have already received. So that means after 1 hour, once I come back here, I'll wait to see the rewards I received. So every 1 hour, it will be increasing, just like free crypto that you are earning. So now let's go back and try with MC. You know, we said we have I, and then the next one is MC. Now for MC, the time until the farming ends is 23 days, 11 hours, 54 minutes. That means you have 23 days to still earn free MC on Launchpool. Now, here, these are the coins you can stake for MC. You can stake your MC and earn MC. What this means is that you just have to buy MC on Binance and have it in your spot wallet. You stake it and then you use it to earn more MC. I think that's nice. And then you can also stake your BUSD and earn MC. And then the third one, you can stake your BNB and earn MC. Now, what are the APY you will earn? For if you stake MC, you're going to be earning 91.2% APY. That is quite high. So if you have MC, you can stake your MC and earn 91%. If you are staking BUSD, you're going to be earning 3.41%. And if you are staking your BNB, you're going to be getting 5.90%. So let's say we want to stake our BNB. We just tap on stake now again. And then when you scroll down here, you're going to see my funds, and then you tap on stake. So once you tap on stake, you enter the amount of BNB you want to stake. Don't forget, it's showing 0.00 available BNB because we've already staked all the BNB for the I token. Don't forget. So let's go back. So once you stake, you'll be seeing your claim rewards here and your total rewards received here. So that's how you can stake your crypto on Launchpool and earn free crypto every day. Now I'm going to be answering some questions you guys might be having about this Launchpool. Now the first question is, what if I stake a coin and then the price of that coin goes up or down? Now, if you stake, let's say you stake a coin, let's say BNB, and the price of BNB is like $500. Now, if you stake it and then the price of that coin should go up to like, let's say $550, it will also affect the value of your BNB. That means the value of your BNB too will go up. It does not mean that because you staked it, the value will not go up. No, it will surely go up too. And if the value of that coin, if the BNB should go down to like $450, the value of your BNB will also go down. That's the first thing. Now the second thing is, how can I claim my rewards? So let's say you've already staked your crypto on Launchpool, and then how can you claim your rewards? Now once you stake your BNB or your BSD or any coin you're staking on Launchpool, you're going to be receiving your rewards every 1 hour, and then you can go back to the Launchpool and you will see where you have claim rewards, and then once you tap on claim rewards, all the rewards will go straight to your spot wallet. To go straight to your spot wallet. But if you don't go and claim your rewards, once the launch pool is over, once the number of days to enter crypto is over, all your rewards and the crypto you staked will be transferred automatically to your spot wallet. You're not going to lose it, whether you claim reward or not. Once the time to farm that crypto is over, all your rewards and the coin you staked will be transferred automatically to your spot wallet. Now the next question is it safe to put my crypto in launch pool? Yes, I'll say it is safe to put your crypto in launch pool. And if you're the kind of person that you just have your crypto lying in your wallet, you're not trading, you're not doing it, you just have it there, I will advise that you go and stake your crypto so you can be using it to earn more money every day. No matter how little it is still free money, and it is like making additional income for you. So these are the questions that I have. If you have any more questions about the launch pool, or you are confused about something, let me know in the comment section. I'll be answering every question that I get. And don't forget, I'll still be making a video on Launchpad. Once it is out, check the link in the description of this video, or you check my YouTube channel for the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.